Hey guys, I'm Tim and this is ATB Fishing, Anything That Bites. I really appreciate everyone who's been watching my videos, but I'm extremely grateful for those of you who have chosen to subscribe to my channel. Today, I've reached 200 subscribers, and to show my appreciation and my gratitude, I will be giving away 4 custom lures to one lucky winner. That winner will be chosen September 8th, 2 weeks from today. Also, please hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss out on future videos or giveaways. Okay, now let's look at the prize package. First one is a square bill and a white crawdad pattern. The second is another square bill, but this time in baby bass. Actually, there's the first one. Here's the second one. And then the third lure is actually a package of custom-made Senkos. 6-inch Senkos and the green pumpkin magic combination. That's for those. And finally, a 6-inch glide bait. For those of you that throw these, you know that these are not cheap. But I've won a couple over the years, and this one has just been sitting collecting dust, so I'm hoping somebody wins it to take advantage of it. There's the glide bait. Okay, good luck to everyone that enters the giveaway. Thank you again for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the water.